Hello students, let's start our new topic, application software. What it is? Application software is a term used to describe programs that have been written to help the user to carry out the specific general task. It means, in simple language, I will tell you, application software is a program which are developed to help the user to perform some specific general tasks. What are the general tasks? To write the data, to give the information to the computer, to save it. These are some general tasks. Application software is capable of dealing with user inputs and help the users to complete the task. What it is mean? It means application software deals with user input. Whatever the inputs you are feeding to the computer, it only complete the task. It only perform that task. Suppose you gave some input, you write some text, or you gave some calculation work to perform this. Application work will accept this input and it will calculate all the calculations and gives you output. That is known as some specific general task which is completed by this application software. Application software is a type of computer program that performs a specific personal, educational and business functions. You know that all the softwares, either it is system software or application software, all these programs, application softwares, are used for our personal to perform a specific task, or for educational purpose, or these are used for business purposes also. We are using these application softwares in our home. We are using these application softwares in our educational purpose like schools. We are using these in large companies also. So these are used to perform specific personal, educational and business functions. These are some examples. Some examples of application software are word processing, spreadsheet software, presentation, graphics, CAD, CAM, sending emails, etc. You all had heard about these application software. Word processing means MS Word. Spreadsheet software means MS Excel, where the sheet is in the form of table. That is known as a spreadsheet. Presentation software, you already heard about this, MS PowerPoint. Graphics and sending emails. These are examples of application software. These are some functions of application software. Application software programs are created to facilitate a variety of functions, including but not limited to. There are so many variety of functions included in application software. What are they? One by one we will discuss. First one is managing information. Application software manages our information in a very fruitful manner. It saves our information. Manipulating data. Manipulating means to edit your data. It is very easy to manipulate our data in application software. Constructing visuals. Coordinating resources. Coordinating resources means to coordinate with the two resources. And calculating figures. As I told you, application softwares are also used to calculate our data, calculation purpose also. These are some more examples of application software. The most common application software programs are used by millions every day and include. Millions of users are using these application programs. What are they? Microsoft suite of product. Suite means there is a collection of various applications. Collection of various applications combined in one package, that is known as suite. Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook. These all are suite of one Microsoft. Internet browsers like Firefox, Safari and Chrome. These all are internet browsers where you search your data, whatever you want. It gives you all the informations in the world. So these all are about application software. In next video we will discuss all these types of application software. Thank you.